Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to connect your JBL GO 4 to your Android phone. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step, we need to open settings on our phone and make sure the Bluetooth is turned on. If not, we just need to click on this button. After this, we need to turn on our speaker. We need to take a look on this left side and see this power on button. We just need to click on it once. And after hearing the sound, it means your speaker is turned on. It should go automatically into a pairing mode, but if it didn't, we just need to click this Bluetooth button right here. After hearing these rings, it means it's into pairing mode, and we need to find it on the list of available devices on our phone. If you can't see it, we just need to click scan right here. And here it is, JBL GO 4. We click on it, we click pair, and after hearing this chime, it means your speaker has successfully connected to your phone. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.